Hey guys, it's your boy Anthony again, and I'm here to show you guys how to use the pose sequence for 3D models. Right, so first thing first, you're gonna come here to the left to the right hand side. After that, setting up your animation and stuff. Make sure this is in animation if you're going to use the pose sequence for your 3D models. Okay, I really don't know if you hear my voice clearly, so you can tell me in the comments. I'll try to speak as clear as possible. Right, so moving on. So now come to the right here. You're gonna open up that and you're gonna go to your 3D. Right? Now this version of Clip Studio is 3.1.0. Okay? 3.1.0. This version of Clip Studio is 3.1.0. There's nothing later than that. This is the one you'll be able to do the pose sequence in. This is the one that pose sequence comes with 3.1.0. Okay? Not 3.1.4 or 3.1.6. I ain't about them. This one is 3.1.0. See how much time I repeat it, right? Okay, so as you can see here to the side, it has the pose sequence. But I have three of them. Got this one here on top here, but this one isn't common to you. Get this one within the App Store, the Clip Studio Store. Right, but these two here will come with the 3.1.0, and you can just grab them and drag them, and they will send you to the store to download them, or they'll just download them, or they'll download them through the store. All right. So after you're done grabbing it and dragging it, you ain't go see it here because you display it on the timeline. So on the timeline, you want to right click. You want to go to this, run. Alright. I'll put this like right here. So this one here is the easiest one. Well, this one you have less frames than the flip one, the one that is flipping. Okay? Right, so for this here, it's going to be like yes, right? After you done download it and stuff, you will have it to use it. Now I tell you this one time now, you will only be able to animate what is provided for you. You won't be able to make your own pose sequence. Okay? Only animate what you've been given. I ain't find no other methods in making your own pose sequence. That's all I've done to try in this video. But I haven't found that way. I'm only making this video because one of my subscribers, he was asking to clarify more details on it. So I'm going into details on this. Alright, moving on. So you want to close this here. So right, in pose sequence here, you see in this menu down here below it, look it says running over. You want to click the last one to the right here. And inside of this one here, you'll see down below here underneath hand pose, you'll see pose sequence. Right? Pose sequence. I could make it bigger, but you might not see the entire thing. So when I edit in the video, I will make it bigger. Okay? So in pose sequence, it has pose number. In pose number, you see here from the side, it have one here. This is one. If I click up, it'll go to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 13 is the last pose. Okay, so I can pull the slider here and put it like that, right? Yeah, so I have 13 poses. So I'm just getting up and just running, right? Running, right? So that the pose sequence. All right, so in order to utilize this now in timeline, you go back to 1. Right now, my settings for my animation timeline and thing I already set up how I want to be able to add new frames and stuff like that, right? So if you guys want to know how to do that, I have a video already on my YouTube and showing how to set up for animation. All the settings and stuff too will be within that video. So you can look into that on my channel if you're interested. Okay? Very easy and simple to follow. Okay? So on my computer, I have set for a new pose. If I go to 2 frames ahead, the third frame, I click 1 on my keyboard here. Number pad 1, number 1. It will add a new frame, right? So I come up here while this is open. The subtool detail, that's what it's named. I click 2. That will be 2. I will 1, 2, 3. I'm a frames on 2s. If you know animation, you know what having a frame on 1s and 2s and 3s, etc. Right? So I'm a 3 here. That will be the third pose. This will be the fourth pose. Fourth frame. Fifth frame. Sixth frame. Seventh frame. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13, right? All these frames here is on 2s. So, right, so all these on 2s, right? So top plate now, bam, that's what you will get. You understand? And with these pose sequence, you could be able to add more to it because you're just using the pose sequence. You're just using the sequence of the animation. So it will basically be up to you. So if this video was insightful and helpful to you guys, please like and subscribe and follow for more. And for the guy who was asking about this, if I'm not mistaken, I have on my channel, was talking about 16 people like, right? This name is at Enterprise UK 4XM. Right? I hope this video helped you in understanding how to use the post sequence. So I really hope it helped you. I am out. You guys stay safe, stay healthy wherever you are in the world. Please stay safety out there. Stay safe out there. I am out. I really hope this video clarified what I've been talking about when it comes to this. Okay? I really hope it works. I try to get in a more cleaner quality too now. So really hope it works. Later for now. Bye bye.